How to check credit score in HSBC app. The first things first is logged in and make sure that you're currently running with the latest version of the HSBC application on your phone. Now logged in using your user ID and password, and once you have successfully logged in, there will be a support page from the app itself. But you need to make sure that you need to create an account with each of the access that you'd like to have a report with. So there are types of credit report that you can choose. It's either going to be your TransUnion credit, your Experian credit, Equifax credit, or your annual credit report. So you just have to send a request from HSBC using the application. And if you would like to get like a hard copy of those papers that including your credit report is you can use this informations that you can see on my screen. So those are only the things that you need to do for you to be able to check your HSBC credit report.